Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. So today the meat birds are going out to the coop. Paul built me a beautiful A-frame chicken tractor out of some recycled materials we had on the homestead, and it's now a chicken tractor that I can use for my meat birds. We've never lived in an area that had enough room to actually pasture raise our meat birds, so it's really exciting to have enough space to raise our meat birds out here in the tractor. I'm so excited Paul built it for me, so let me show you it. Let's not forget, he also had the help of his fearless foreman. Mostly they just danced around and annoyed Paul.
So cool. It's our makeshift chicken tractor. Paul built it out of an old shelter logic that blew apart last fall. It's really, really cool. I'm glad he made it for me. It's going to be my meat bird's home. It's our repurposed chicken tractor. I know it's not the prettiest, but it's functional. And the meat birds are going to do good here. See, we put some chicken wire on the side. We've kind of skirted it with some mesh so that nothing can kind of dig up under. If we notice a pest issue, we'll put some electric fence around, but for now, we'll just leave it as is. It's nice, eh? Now you gotta remember, on these really hot days, it's important to give your birds an area with shade and water. So just kind of spread out some water pails in all your little shaded areas, just in case your birds decide to go there. They don't like to travel that far when it's hot, and if they gotta go far for their water, it might be a little difficult for them, but something to think about. You got your water, girl? It's gonna be 35 degrees today, so they'll need their water and their shade. Hey guys! Alright, I'm gonna have to feed these little buggers. Yeah, after a week, it's not too bad. It's just been really, really rainy. We weren't expecting this, so it's very unfortunate. The birds probably aren't as comfortable as I would like them to be just because of the rain, but we're getting out of it now, so hopefully the sun can get on them. They can dry their little feathers off and be happy in their little tractor home. Hey guys! They want me to feed them. That's the one thing with meat birds. They never stop eating. They're just always eating. Yeah. We just moved this here this morning, so they're kind of exploring and seeing what's up and getting used to their new little layout.
Thanks for watching everyone, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any tricks or tips you'd like to share with us, please drop them in the comments, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye everyone.
Let's go home. Let's go home. Come on, Pancake. Let's go home.